Howdy. Well, I've been outside most of the day. Most of the morning, anyway. Got the horses fed. Got a bunch of cool winter B-roll. So yeah, it can get actually pretty entertaining in the winter around here, especially when you have livestock that needs to be taken care of. When it gets cold and the water freezes and there's snow on the ground. I'm going to take care of the horses. I got to break the ice in their trough. I've got a big round bale of hay on my truck, but the four-wheel drive's out on the truck, and I don't think, even if I made it over here, I don't think I could make it out of Dad's driveway. So, we've got some hay left in the barn from years ago, square bales in the loft that I'm gonna feed the horses. Horses can actually break the water themselves pretty easily, the ice, if it's not too thick. Like this isn't too thick, but I'm gonna break it now. That way it'll freeze more tonight, but it won't be too thick because I already broke it today. There's Blue over there waiting. I'm coming, Blue. There's Boston looking around the corner. Can you see him? Made it up here safely. My daughter is super excited about the creek freezing over and the pond freezing over and things generally freezing over. So I did fly the drone over the pond and I found out it's partially frozen, but I don't think it's going to be cold enough for long enough to get to where we can actually walk on it. At least not this time around. On the way almost to U Highway, there's a section there with fences on either side, and on the right hand side there was a bunch of snow drifts, and they were they had blown over so where they looked like kind of like waves of snow. Like you could surf, like tubular, dude. Pretty cool, huh? I thought they were cool. I got down in the snow, like on my knees, like laying down in the road to take some of these pictures. So anyway, thanks for watching and this week, and I'll see you again next week on the... Whoa!